Alright everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Game of Thrones Secret Lab chairs. I have, obviously as you can see, a super old chair and I need a new one. Alright, so today who will be helping me is my younger brother. He also has a YouTube channel. His name is Javier Cepeda, but he goes by Prince Javi. Prince Javi, come check it out.
Hello folks, I've been through this process before. We've actually done a Secret Labs Unlimited Edition for the Batman chair. It's actually downstairs in my room. The video is already uploaded to my YouTube channel, Prince Javier. Go check it out.
Alright guys, so what I'm just going to do is open this real fast. I've never had experience with assembling a gaming chair, so my brother's here to help me.
This bad boy out. This one's a larger chair than mine. Mine was the Omega. His is the Titan.
Yeah.
He's a bigger fella than me.
A little bit.
Shorter.
Congratulations, you are now the owner of a brand new Secret Labs chair. You are just steps away from the ultimate seating experience. I'll flip the sheet with instructions. Alright, cool. I'll put these over here. And also, I apologize, I haven't been on YouTube lately at all. I've been super busy. I just bought a house, as you can see. Everything's like super out of order, and I'm just trying to get everything, organized and trying to set up this is my gaming room, so I'll probably have a future video of that, so you guys stay tuned. Alright, so Junior, which one am I supposed to touch? This one?
You're gonna actually have to pick this out first. Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. And as you guys can tell, I'm a super big Game of Thrones fan.
Closer so the camera can see.
Check it out. Secret Lab. Dragons.
Watch my YouTube channel again.
Got a premium leather cleaner. Accessories. Did you get this?
Yes.
Accessory box. What's in it?
All the wheels, bolts,
Okay.
stuff like that. It actually tells you when you open it up. Might want to show your fans what comes in that box, so if they buy one, you know what to expect.
I got some lever handles, 2 of them for the tilt. Extra large casters, the wheels, 5 of them of course. Hydraulic piston, and then side covers. So just the simple stuff, and then all the equipment to install it. So we'll get on that. So right here it says lay out the foam sheets found on the packaging on the flat surface, place the low base upside down, and just put in the casters. It says remove four M8 screws that are pre-installed in the back seat using the Allen key. Okay, I get it. So I'm gonna take this sucker off.
This is where I had trouble
Yeah, why?
putting the backs or the bolts. It's like it's hard. It's a hit and miss kind of thing. Like you gotta catch the thread perfect.
Okay, okay. You didn't do it with your fingers at first?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, perfect. So now we're on to the next step. So where we flip the chair over. Alright, tilt mechanism. Right here. Making sure it's in the right direction. Okay. Oh, do we take this off? Yeah. Oh. So do not remove this strap until the backrest has been securely installed. So just meaning, if you make sure you install these first before you take off that strap, because of this lever, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So which way do you know is the right way?
I looked at the picture, finished product. So this is the front, so that there want to be more gap in the back of the seat. You know.
Okay, so it goes like this.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So you can lean back and have that spring.
Right, right. So this will act like it's a spring. Okay. Do I don't take this off on now. Okay. Pass me some screws.
There's a wash. Put the wash on top.
Hold up. Does this go on top? Right over here. Perfect. I just install it right here?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Easy. Snaps right in. Watch me not be able to get it. Oh, smashed my finger.
Highlighted the video.
And it looks like we're done, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just like that.
I'm gonna test this out.
Need assistance?
Should be okay. Pull up all this junk. Awesome, alright. Oh, didn't break on me yet. Alright, so we can adjust here. Wow, it's super, super comfy. Nice and sturdy. And there's a tensioner back here. this is adjust like the spring tension. See, that's a lot more sturdy. Oh, same thing. And I believe there's a height. One for the height. Unless I didn't install it, right? Did I install it?
Oh, you do need to
You have to install it? Alright, so we skipped a small step. It's just a little lever.
2. You gotta make sure the grooves go in there correctly.
Okay. Okay, so I didn't know there was 2 levers. So let's see what they each do. If I could find it. There we go. I just pull it straight up, straight down.
Or tilt it, I think. Tilt, like counterclockwise.
Oh.
Like turning the key on.
Okay, I see this.
Okay.
Oh, alright.
And once it go up and down.
Down. Oh. Alright. Down. My feet are.
And then the other lever,
Uh-huh.
it makes it your back lay down like you're laying in a bed on the right side.
Yeah, this one stopped it.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Andres back with you. Here, I've already had a few weeks to test out this chair, and I tell you, I am in love with it. So a lot of the features my old chair didn't have was like almost everything. So now this chair actually, the seat can recline along with the base, both at the same time, independently, whatever you would like. You can basically almost lay completely down, completely flat. You know, it's very helpful. It comes with a pillow. As you can see, you could kick back, watch TV, whatever you need to watch at your computer. And also, if you're gaming, you can lock this into position. Instead of it going backwards, you want a nice, steady, stable seat. You just do this little left click on the lever, and now there's no backwards motion. Okay, so that's really, really good, really helpful. Also, the armrests. They adjust up and down, of course. They adjust in and out for different people, different sizes. And then they also adjust angular, in and out. So this is a really cool feature as well. I know my little brother, he likes to play with a console a lot, so he always has a controller. So for him, he could just kick back like this and have his controller. Very comfortable. And as you guys can see, earlier a few weeks ago, my room was a mess, and now it's really, really coming together. Really getting a game room that I'm enjoying a lot. I collect a whole bunch of comic books, as you can see over. I appreciate you guys for all the support, and make sure you catch my Twitch, Andres Q MMA. So these are all my comic books, like I was telling you guys earlier. My top 3 comics are probably Superman, Spider-Man, and you cannot forget the X-Men. They're legendary. And also been creeping up lately has been Batman. When I was a little kid, I used to always say I'm Batman, and I was super into Batman, and as I got older, I kind of fell off from Batman. I don't know why, but you know, getting right back into it. All right, everyone, so this is a little look at my room. I'm gonna be continually upgrading it, and you know, there's gonna be more to come. I'm gonna be getting more action figures, more comic books, more posters all over the wall. So make sure you tune in to catch the review of my room and see how my room is coming along, actually. So, and also my puppy's here. Mikey, come here, boy, come here. He's such a good dog. Shake. Oh, good boy. He's getting a little bit older, but he's still got a lot of life left in him. So this is the review of my chair, and I really like it a lot. So I believe I'd give it like a 5 out of 5. So, you know, if you guys are into comfort and, you know, style and likability, I really recommend this chair. And, you know, you guys catch my next video.